Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! I don't know what to... Oh my God!
I mean, dude, that is just absolutely obscene. There's no reason that that should have happened today, but it did. So what I've noticed is its face, it's got some serious stuff going on there. I can't tell if that's SFD or just maybe lesions. You know, these aquatic snakes are really, really prone to getting SFD, and I have a feeling that that's what's going on with this guy here. So hopefully it's gonna be doing okay, but either way, I am just so stoked to have come across this guy. I mean, just look at that. Wow. I mean, that's just insane. There's really nothing else to describe it with. It's just insane. Well, I could spend hours just admiring the beauty of the snake, but we're gonna go ahead and put it back in its swamp. I mean, just look at that. I mean, that is just such an incredible animal. All right, see you later, buddy.